In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from the new Adobe Acrobat Reader to the classic version, which many of you might feel more comfortable with. Whether you prefer the familiarity of the older interface, or just want to see how things have changed before you commit to the new layout, I'll guide you through this simple process. First, open your Adobe Acrobat application. You'll find the menu conveniently located in the top left corner of the screen. This menu holds the key to accessing the settings required for switching between versions. Clicking here is your first step towards reverting to the classic Adobe experience we all know. Once you've accessed the menu, look for and select the option labelled Disable New Acrobat. This option may require a little looking around depending on your current setup, but rest assured it's in the menu options. By selecting this, you're telling Adobe Acrobat that you desire to return to its previous interface, a process that's both straightforward and aimed at users seeking the simplicity or nostalgia of the old version. Following your selection to disable the new Acrobat, the program will prompt you with a dialog box. This pop-up will inform you that a restart of Acrobat is necessary to fully complete the switch. Simply click on the Restart button, which will close and promptly reopen Acrobat in its previous version. It's important to remember, restarting ensures all your preferences are activated and that the application can smoothly transition. Now maybe you're experimenting or just curious about how the new layout stacks up against the old. If you ever want to go back to the latest version, the process is just as easy. Begin by clicking on View in the menu bar, where you'll then find an option that says Enable New Adobe Acrobat. Choosing this will lead you back to the newest interface. As before, once you choose to enable the new Acrobat, there will be a familiar dialog box prompting you to restart. Simply click on the Restart button, and Acrobat will reactivate with the new features and interface which Adobe is currently developing. It's as simple as a few clicks, making it easy to toggle between the layouts. And that's it. You now have the flexibility to switch between Adobe Acrobat's new and classic views depending on your preference or needs. Whether you're presenting to a client who prefers a certain style, or just navigating PDFs the way you're used to, these simple steps ensure that you have complete control over the appearance and functionality of Adobe Acrobat. Thank you for watching.